If one of your Mopit switches stops working, then it needs to be replaced. First, we'll start by removing the old switch. Use the onboard 5/32 Allen tool to remove the 4 dash plate screws. Now, disconnect the gray battery quick disconnect. Next, use pliers to loosen the retaining ring that holds the switch in place. Remove the retaining ring the rest of the way with your fingers. Pull the switch out of the plate. Then, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 switch terminal screws. Now we'll install the new switch by repeating the same steps in reverse order. When installing the new switch, make sure it is in this orientation, with the terminals closest to the bottom of the switch down. Attach the wires to the switch with the screws. Attach the switch to the switch plate with the retaining ring. Reconnect the battery quick disconnect. Replace the dash plate and the 4 screws. Replace the Allen tool and adjust the handlebar to your preferred height. Reach out to Spectrum by phone or website with any questions. 1-800-290-2833. www.mopit.com